The state government on Tuesday deployed massive security ahead of students' march to Nabanna in Kolkata. The protest march has been called by student organization Chhatra Samaj over the alleged rape murder of a doctor in RG Kar Hospital. In the view of protest, heavy police force has been deployed, barricades have been put up, and water cannons have been deployed to stop the march of the students. The protesters will be demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the arrest of those responsible in the case. The call for march to Nabanna, the Bengal State Secretariat, was separately given by an unregistered students' body, Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj, and Sangrami Chautha Mancha, an organization of state government employees who have been agitating since long, demanding their DA to be made at par with their central government counterparts. The state police have called the scheduled rally, support for which has been mainly garnered over social media platforms, as illegal and unauthorized, and said that they have taken necessary precautions to allay apprehensions about potential law and order situations during the march. Addressing reporters at Nabanna, ADG Law and Order Manoj Verma has said that police have received credible intelligence suggesting attempts would be made by miscreants to mix among protesters and incite large-scale violence chaos during the rally. The government has already imposed prohibitory orders near Nabanna under Section 163 of BNSS, preventing the assembly of 5 or more persons. Calling the rally a conspiracy to cause chaos on the streets, the Trinamool Congress has released a couple of purported videos of BJP leaders from Ghatal in Paschim Medinipur district planning to incite violence at the rally. Both leaders were detained for questioning by the police. Meanwhile, in a video message released by the Raj Bhavan late Monday evening, Governor C.V. Ananda Bose urged the state government not to use power to stop the students from organizing the rally. The Apex Court on August 22 said peaceful protest over the incident shall not be disturbed or disrupted by the West Bengal government. The court, however, clarified that it has not injuncted the state government from exercising lawful powers.
उन्होंने आपको बहुत आशा लेकर आपको नमन तक पहुंचा दिया था, आपको सीएम के पद में बिठाया था, लेकिन आप जो प्रतिश्रुति जो वादे करके आए थे वो आप पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। हमारे जो बंगाल के जनगण हैं उस पे आप शोषण अत्याचार कर रहे हैं। बंगाल के जो आम आदमी है वो थक चुका है और आपकी जो शासन है, आपका जो शैराचार है उससे मुक्त करना चाहते हैं। इसीलिए हमारी एक ही दाबी है, दफा एक, ममता बनर्जी आप हट जाइए, बहुत हो गया है, बहुत आदमी का बोली बलि ले रहे हैं, बहुत जो हमारे लड़की है उसके इज्जत के साथ बहुत खेल चुकी है, उसके बारे में बहुत गंदे बात कर चुकी है आप, और जो अत्याचार किया हमारे बंगाल की लड़कियों को, जो अत्याचारी है, जो दर्शक है, उसी के पक्ष में आप खड़े रहते हैं हमेशा। इसीलिए हमारे एक ही दाबी है, दाबी एक, ममतार पदत्याग, प्लीज अब हट जाइए।
In the wake of possible disruption of normal life because of the protest march, several education institutes will either hold online classes on Tuesday or have declared a holiday. Meanwhile, the CBI on Monday held a second round of polygraph test on the former RG Kar Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh and 5 others as the part of investigation into the rape murder of a woman doctor at the institution. CBI initially conducted the lie detection tests on Ghosh and others on Saturday, followed by a test on the arrested accused Sanjay Roy at the Presidency Correctional Home on Sunday. Ghosh and former hospital official Sanjay Vashisht are also being investigated for alleged financial irregularities at the institution.